Electricity, the lifeblood of a modern city. We cannot see it, yet we rely on it and take it for granted. But the energy, banking, chemical, and gas sectors are vulnerable, like many others. Today's systems are outdated, inefficient, and many have already been compromised by sophisticated hackers and nation-sponsored attacks. Updating it can take decades, and when it's finally complete, the infrastructure will most likely be obsolete in the absence of a robust, secure domain architecture with lifecycle management. CIOs are overwhelmed with over 3,000 different physical and cybersecurity products and a slow process for selecting and implementing them. Most of the time, it is further scrutinized and sometimes rejected by the procurement department. But the modern world poses modern threats. Cyber attacks are the 21st century's weapon of choice. These attacks target the bulk power system, specifically industrial control systems and its infrastructure components. In addition, the absence of a secure architecture for IT and OT convergence continues to reveal new vulnerabilities. Power plants, communications, banks. Cyber warfare can destroy the world as we know it without ever firing a bullet. Thankfully, there's a solution. Ironclad's private cloud solution stands on the leading edge of security and technology, setting the new standard for both physical and cybersecurity in the energy industry. Built from the ground up in partnership with well-established technology vendors in the U.S. It is an off-the-shelf private cloud architecture, the next evolution of security-centric integrated hyper-converged data centers, designed specifically for hosting industrial control systems or mission-critical applications. The future of secure private cloud computing integrates IT and OT under a single, reliable, scalable, and secure platform. After a demonstration and the signing of a partial contract, a license is issued. The system is assembled off-site. And implemented on-site within 12 months. Retired two-star U.S. Navy Admiral Michael Brown served as DHS Deputy Assistant Secretary of Cybersecurity and Communications and as the Assistant Deputy Director for the Office of National Intelligence. Quote, "The Ironclad design deployed at a very large utility in the Northeast is really impressive, a much-needed blue sky approach. It is the first comprehensive operations technology design makeover actively deployed in the U.S. I believe that it provides the most secure, fast-track path to migration off the old legacy critical systems infrastructure. It is simply revolutionizing and decades ahead of its peer group in the U.S. We work with the utility on submitting the design RFP package as part of the rate case to the Public Utility Commission, enabling the capitalization of the project, although not a requirement. Shareholders can make up to 3 to 5% return on the CapEx investment while helping protect our nation's bulk power system. People benefit from a modern and secure infrastructure. CEOs can focus on business improvement opportunities, and CIOs can focus on creating IT/OT business transformation through long-term business strategies rather than spending so much time responding to both physical and cybersecurity risks on the legacy. Ironclad has a modular architecture, therefore it can be implemented on any scale at any time. Transitioning from the obsolete infrastructure to Ironclad is simple and effortless, as the utility's critical assets are moved into the new infrastructure in accordance with a risk-based schedule. The Ironclad hyper-converged platform requires 50 times less physical resources when compared to an older, traditional physical server-based data center architecture. This not only benefits space management, but also energy efficiency. Ironclad's private cloud is a purpose-built design architecture developed specifically to improve reliability, resiliency, and protection of the U.S. bulk power system, the first of its kind and the world's only on-premise alternative solution to Amazon AWS or Microsoft Azure. It has been built from the ground up to identify, analyze, and eliminate threats throughout the entire network. It combines physical security with a state-of-the-art cyber defense architecture connected to an optical transport network. The system is delivered at the different sites or fully enclosed using Ironclad shelters with its own renewable power source. And connected to each other, becoming one single secure network. We transitioned the Ironclad platform into production via Ironclad's orchestration and training program, ensuring a smooth transition from CapEx to OpEx. The platform is delivered with over 100 products and systems components carefully secured and integrated, including a state-of-the-art compliance intranet portal, artificial intelligence technology, and IT service management-ready solutions. All systems components in the Ironclad Secure Private Cloud platform have passed common criteria certification, comply with NERC-CIP and Presidential Executive Order securing the United States bulk power system, and have a maturity model roadmap based on CMMI, C2M2, and CDM. Ironclad systems components and applications are completely assembled, integrated, and made in the USA. Ironclad cost-effectively and securely integrates people, technology, and process with the implementation of its innovative private cloud design.